This conference will now be recorded.
I have forgotten. No one alerted me as well. Okay, sir. Yeah, I will repeat it for okay couple of minutes. Say normally we use desktop or laptop environment to confirm the warehouse orders, but coming to in warehouses we use the RF scanners. RF stands for the radio frequency. Okay, we can see it, different sizes of devices. Handheld device, truck mount device. Handheld device means normally workers they can use it. Workers say here handheld devices. These can be operated through batteries, either truck mount or else okay handheld devices, batteries, rechargeable batteries, or etc. Depends on the company. We can get the battery life or something. Say for example, one warehouse is working on three shifts. In that case, what we can do, we go with three batteries, 1:3 kind of things. Okay, whenever the first shift people come, they can replace of that battery and they keep on the charging holder, and already someone have a full charged battery they can insert and they start the work and etc. Okay, and the same thing applies for the truck mount devices as well. And we can see touch screen or else say here this is like touch screen or else push buttons also we can use. Sometimes both also we can access. And coming to these RF screens, okay, we can scan the barcodes for each bin or else each product or else each issue. We generate the barcode and paste it over it. Okay, coming to GR staging areas and etc. 3 4 barcodes we can paste nearby GR area and door bins as well, even in work centers. If we come to that work center table or something, we can see some four sides, some four or six or some eight, depends on the size of the table. Means work center, we have the same barcode. Whenever we want to confirm to reach that work center, means just we scan it. These kind of things we can use it. Even we can see product codes and etc. Say for example, if we go to any supermarket and etc., if we purchase any soap or shampoo, once they keep that scanner in the cash counter, automatically the details will come. The same technology we can see in the warehouses as well. Okay, this is the handheld devices. And coming to here, truck mount RF scanners. This we use in the forklifts and etc. Say here, this forklift considered as a okay resource, but this person is considered as a driver or something kind of things. And now coming to here, handheld devices and truck mount devices. Okay, screens are different. Options are same as like our Gmail options in mobile phone and laptop and etc. That screen size decided by the display profile. Apart from that display profile, okay, see here display profile decide the size of the scanner screen. Presentation profile. This presentation profile we use at warehouse number level. One warehouse can have only one presentation profile. Personalization profile means resource-wise screen options. Say for example, inbound workers. I don't want to give any outbound options for outbound workers. I don't want to give any inbound options. Why? Because devices separate, resources are separated, etc. In that case, we go with this presentation profile. Okay, there we maintain the resource-wise screen options. Apart from that, to decide the screens, to decide the menus, we have two managers are there: screen manager and the menu manager. Screen manager, screens defined in the screen manager area. Menu manager, menus defined in menu manager area. These RF devices, we can see different categories: short range, medium range, long range. These kind of things we can see. Okay, these are the this one. Now coming
So
to concept
personal
side.
personalization profiles will be multiple, or it is only one or two options will be there,
Actually,
like for inbound,
for
outbound.
inbound, say here inbound side we have 10 doors. Okay, within that also we want to go for uh, division. It is possible, multiple presentation profiles also possible.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah. Now coming to here, concept is same in both decentralized as for HANA. And say here several this scanning perspective and screen perspective, several new features also available in EWM. Okay, and I will post one video. Okay, after the session. Recently we did some experiment in one live scanner. Okay, SAP Personas one concept is there, latest one, this one. Okay, here if we go with SAP Personas, just like we use screen painter. Okay, no need to go for any code and etc. We adjust the screens and etc. Okay, in the web version only we can do that, can be adapted to the RF devices and etc. Okay, in depth please go through the Google. I will share how it will work in okay, scanner, RF scanner, and few applications also there. Okay, I will try to provide some information about okay, for self-learning few apps and etc. Okay, say here. Now coming to here, concept is same in both decentralized and yes, embedded S4 embedded environment. We are going to EWM, and I will share one RF cookbook as well. Okay, that actually this part is moreover from technical end. Just from functional point of view, we need to provide the functional specification document information if we want to go for any changes, RF screen changes and etc. And testing part, we need to execute the testing part. Either the relevant field is validating properly or not, kind of things we need to see. We are going to IMG setup, SEM extended warehouse management, mobile data entry. Say here, under extended warehouse management, mobile data entry, radio frequency framework. Say here, define steps in logical transactions. Go to here. In this area, we can see here, for initially, I'm going to create a presentation profile for our warehouse. Go to define presentation profiles. Say here, presentation profile, SAP standard is star 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 star. Double star, double star. SAP standard. Sorry, this one. Sorry, this I have typed here. This one. Star 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 star. Okay. Now coming to here, personalization profile star star only. Okay. Say here, I am copying this star star. Go to here. If we see here within this, double star is there and star one is there, pick by voice. Now say here, I am copying with our warehouse name for easy understanding. CKFD. Copy all. Say, coming to here, define presentation profiles within this. Say here, CKFD, we have two personalization profiles. Now we need to assign this to our warehouse. Come back, assign presentation profile to warehouse. Go to here, select our CKFB warehouse. We have maintained one CKFB. Save it. This we used to assign user level. Go to easy access, extended warehouse management, master data, resource management, maintain users. Come to here, change mode, EWM user, select CKFB. Okay, warehouse you can select here. Please don't touch the user IDs and etc. Someone is R by RF. You have your warehouse and this thing is there now. Please go through that. CKFB. This we have assigned for resource 1. Now coming to here, one desktop option is there, transaction code to see the screens menus in our desktop. Go to here, coming to here, execution, log on to RF environment. log on to RF environment. Go to here. Say here it is asking what is the warehouse number, resource, default presentation device. Okay, say for example, warehouse users, how they can access here. One option is to enter this manually. Another option is, say normally warehouse users also use some access card to enter into the warehouse and etc. Not on the neck. Okay, they use on the waist belt or something. Why? Because whenever they bend to pick the products and etc., that can be disturb them their work if they wear. Okay, this one is scanning access cards on the neck. Okay, once they scan their vest belt scanner, ID card or scanner, automatically those can be fetching to here to enter into the RF environment. Say here, enter. Say here, this is the first screen. Okay, these are calling as a menus and this is calling as a push button. Okay, say for example, here inbound process. Here menu navigation also important. Menu navigation. Say come to here. First I want to execute some inbound. Say here 03 is there. Okay, this is the direct navigation. Come to here 03 unloading, unloading by delivery. Say here it is screen. Okay, one by one, it is entering screens here. Say here one function key, standard function key is there, F7. F7 to come back previous screen. Previous screen. F7 to come back the previous screen. Say for example, here in my laptop, I am pressing F7. Say previous screen, previous screen, previous screen. This is the first screen. F7 I used. I will show the this one navigations. Standard navigation. Whatever we are doing, standard navigation. See here. Inbound, unloading, unloading my delivery. I am opting it. If I am clicking F7, previous screen it is coming. Next, direct navigation to transaction. Instead of putting that here 03 is there, 03 means 3 we can enter. Automatically that can. 1 enter automatically, 1 same screen. I entered this one. Instead of clicking on it, enter the number here. F7, F7, F7. Now, virtual navigation. Unlike the first options, say, I know 3 unloading, inbound, 1 unloading, unloading by delivery. If I enter here 311, automatically direct that can screen to automatically that verification field where the delivery and etc. If we click on the F7, came first screen only. In between two screens are skipped. Okay, say here to access the, if we know the path, say for example 331, that is going to HU F7. Actual 331, what is that? Inbound, put away by HU. This one. F7, F7, F7. 331. Direct it is going to their previous screen. If we are thorough with that, virtual also possible navigations. Okay, say here this one. Next one, some push buttons are the function keys are there. Sorry, these are the function keys. F7 come back to previous screen. Say for example, if any error is there, F9, any error. Say here, if we click on any error 9, F9, it will pop up a new screen with the full details. What is your misread, etc. We are going to see it. Okay, say one by one we can see. Now coming to here, this is the log off button, push button, log off. Say coming to here RFUA, it is every time asking, but I have dedicated. Okay, I have dedicated RF device. I don't want to enter these resource names and etc. automatically. Whenever I can open it, automatic log on I require it. That is available at master data, resource management, maintain users, change mode. See here, auto log on. If we opt this button, say here, it is not asking. It is not asking. Say, for example, I am an inbound user. Okay, I don't want to see outbound options. Menu manager. Come to here, master data, resource management, user. Here, standard, we can see star is there. This is the presentation profile within the personalization profile, that one. Sorry, this is the personalization profile within the presentation profile. Now what I am doing, I am going to create one for inbound, one for outbound. Go to IMG setup, extended warehouse management, mobile data entry, radio frequency framework, define steps in logical transactions, go to presentation profile, CKFB, open it. Here within the CKFB, I am creating two CI, that is CKFB hyphen inbound. This is one. Another one is CO. CI and CO. Say two personalization profiles I have created. Now, even though we use this CI, all will come now. Not yet we have decided menus. Go to CKP CI, say here. RFUI, say all menus are there. Now what I am doing, I am modifying the menus through menu manager. Go to IMG setup, RF menu manager is there. Go to here. This is the standard one, star star, double star, 40. This is the copy to CKFB CI. It is leads to this screen. If we see here, this is the inbound main, outbound main, internal. These are there. I want to keep only inbound. Say here, select this OB main, IM main, deleted. Only inbound is there. Save it. Now coming to here, log on to here. Say only inbound came. Only inbound came. Say for example, outbound required for me. Go to menu manager. This is the standard. Copy to CO. Several authorizations we have restricted. Okay, just to go through the videos.
So if Putaway and picking we want to restrict some dedicated.
Yeah, say here I have taken inbound main. Within this, several options are there. Say here, several options.
Hello?
I think we lost the connection.
Yes, I think we lost CK, sir. Organizer experiencing technical difficulties. Okay.
Yeah, hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir. Okay.
okay. Can you able to see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Yes, recording is there. Okay. Now,
This conference will now be recorded.
yes, sir. Now coming to here, we go to menu manager. Go to IMG setup, menu manager. This is the by default we should have to use application 01, presentation profile double star, personalization profile double star. Copy to CO. Already there. CO. Now come to here. Here I am deleting inbound and outbound here. Sorry, inbound and internal. Delete it. Internal also you can delete it. Save it. Now coming easy access, extended warehouse management, master data, resource management, maintain users, CO. Save it. Now go to RFUI transaction code I am using directly. Say here only inbound options. Here only inbound options, picking, packing, loading kind of things we can see. Now if we ensure star all will come. RFUI all will come. Now say here during the product warehouse task and HU warehouse task time we have seen some differences, right? If the system is create the HU warehouse task, we need to scan only HU. If the system creates a product warehouse task, if that is not HU, only product details we can. If HU is there, but still that is creating a product warehouse task, we need to scan both HU and product, these things. That we can see. For that setup, we can see at this level, what warehouse process type level. For one product, we can use 1010. Another product, I create one more warehouse process type. Why? Because C010 I used for PYSC, right? Okay, I am going to create C110 or something to check this. Go to IMG setup, extended warehouse management, cross processing settings, warehouse task, define warehouse process type, or else go to just I'm removing storage process for some time. Warehouse number, This is there, select HU. Instead of this, I'm going with C110. For this, I'm removing C110. Okay. Now I'm using one more process type determination control indicator, C2. Okay, say here C2, C110. Now coming to product master, one product I'm using C110, C2. For first product, I'm not using anything to get the 1010. Now I'm coming with one test case. Go to ECC, BL31N, RF01. Two cases I will show. Say for example, one is there, only one product I am packing. Another I am not packing. Now 7995, go to delivery processing. Only one HU. Only one HU is there here also. For the MAT 3. Now VAS orders are there. For this, I am going to delete those. VAS relevance is there inside for checking our test cases. Now go to here, goods receipt we can do. Warehouse task. One is HU warehouse task, another one is C001 normal product, 1010 HU warehouse task. This is the product warehouse task. Have a look. It is going to here. Have a look. This queue got determined. This queue got determined. Now create plus save. We can see warehouse orders. One is HU warehouse task. Queue got determined. Here we can assign the resource. Resource 1 we have maintained. Save it. Or else monitor also we can assign. Just we will check, okay, resource 1. Now go to here, take this, go to monitor, /n class SCWM monitor, inbound documents, inbound process, warehouse orders I am taking. Queue is there, resources are there. These are the warehouse orders. Now we try to confirm through RF. /n / SCWM RF UI. Say here. Manual system guided. System guided means system guided also you can provide that we can see later. Manual selection. Selection by warehouse order. Say here. If we click on here system guided selection. Say any queues are assigned to my resource. Those can be appear here. Say here error something is there, not fully message. I told that F9 display full error message in separate screen. This one. Here in my laptop, I am clicking on F9. Suitable warehouse orders were not found. If you see here, this is assigned for the resources, but it is saying that suitable warehouse orders. Queues are this one. Okay, the first thing, first check either these queues can be confirmed in RF environment or not. We will check it. Okay, so here in the RF environment, suitable warehouse orders are not found. This is the error message. These queues we can check. Go to IMG. Extended warehouse management, cross processing settings, resource management, define queues, go to our warehouse, all are non-RF. Say here, this is also non-RF, this is also, that's why system throwing error. Now I am changing all my queues to RF. Queue level, these are updated. So what we can do first, unassign resources. Okay, if everything is fine, it is not required to go all these things. Okay, say I am unassigning resource from these orders. Go to more methods, unassign from resource. That is empty. Now first we change the queues. Change queue empty. This one. Now I am assigning the queue again. Queue is updated in the backend. That's why. Go to change queue. This is game. Resource. Assign to resource. Next, RK04Q. Assign to resource. Now go to RF environment again. Once I log off and log on, RF UI. Now, manual selection first, or else system selection, system guided by selection. Now it is showing here. Say here, left side, source bin, that is displaying here. Okay, HU also displaying here. Okay, say here this one. Now this is the scanning field. This is the GR bin. Here push buttons are there. Okay, for this HU and product warehouse task, I will go through warehouse under manual selection. F7 I am clicking, log off. Go to manual selection. I am going first step. Manual selection by warehouse order. This is our order 184. Open the monitor. 184. If we see here, this is the HU warehouse task. Okay, you can see here, this can be divided as two parts. This HU warehouse task. Now come to here, HU warehouse task. Enter. Only source and HU only it is showing. It is showing source and HU. Okay, say here, this one. We need to scan JR bin here. Scan means in this field, this is single character field, that is scanning field. Copy, paste here. Copy, paste here. Enter. Means that is taken into the resource. Now go to here. Now we need to keep here. Now yesterday I told that under resource, one bin is going to be updated according to our RF movement. Now go to that, easy access, extended warehouse management, master data, resource management, maintain resource. This is updated, see here. Why I scanned, that resource is scanned, GR staging bin. That's why he is updating here, say this one. Now, if we see here, here nothing is there, product is not showing at all. Now come to monitor, refresh the monitor. System created one confirmed warehouse task and one is open warehouse task. What is that? We will have a look. One is there, distributive putaway. Distributive putaway. One concept is there called distributive putaway, applicable for HU warehouse tasks in RF environment only. Once we pick the product from GR bin to resource, system creates a confirmed warehouse task with the warehouse process type standard is there 1012. Okay, say here, I will show it. Go to double click on warehouse order. This one in process is there. Say in process, when we have access run etc. Start to date, start to time is there, not yet confirmed that task. Just we have kept in middle we are. Now come to here, say first to see this confirmed warehouse task. 1012 movement document warehouse process type. Source bin to resource. Source bin to resource. That is, I picked from GR zone to resource. Okay, system automatically created one confirmed warehouse task with warehouse process type 1012. Now we will have a look where this setup. Go to define warehouse number control. Master data define warehouse number control. Go to our warehouse. Distributive Putaway 1012. If we click on F1 here, you will get this one. We need a warehouse process type for HU warehouse task to execute distributive putaway in the radio frequency environment. From GR bin to resource, that is confirmed. That is confirmed. We will have a look 1012. Go to define warehouse process type. Part of putaway only 1012 one confirmed warehouse task. From GR bin to I pick to resource, it is created one confirmed warehouse task. Now open warehouse task, we have a look here. Where to where? Source, resource, not bins. Not bin. Source is resource, RK01, this one. And if we see here, not yet confirmed. Now coming to RF, say for example, if I give any wrong, I am copying here. If I any give wrong, invalid destination verification. I scanned wrong bin. That is means we scan wrong bin. This one. Now copy and paste here. Here. Say for example, wrong HU wantedly. Invalid destination verification. Okay, please see here. Okay, source HU is there, destination bin is there, this one. If we click on, means if we confirm, where I will be available, this resource available? RK01 123 bin. Same can update there in the resource. Done. Now come to here. Again, easy access. Okay, see here this one. Now, one more is there. If we see here, this now this is fully confirmed. Fully confirmed. Now see this. This is a HU warehouse task. Fully confirmed. Okay, say here this one. Now one more is there. Product warehouse task. This one. Go to RF environment. Say here only product issue. This is creating product warehouse task. See here. Now scanning this. Here we need to go for scanning. One, enter. Means that has taken, we need to keep here. Now go to resource. Say here, this is going to update again gr. Sorry. Again gr will see here. Again gr will. Now come to here. Here also it will not create a new warehouse task, but this is not distributive putaway. This is not distributive. Say here same warehouse process type you can see. Double click on 180. Say here same number. One is confirmed means source into resource. Next one is destination is this one. Source resource we can see. Okay. Destination bin is there. Resource not there. This is not distributive putaway. Okay. Say here this one. Now coming to here, still this is not confirmed. Now coming to RF environment, I am confirming. Say here, the only difference is in the HU warehouse task we are scanning HUs only. But coming to here, product. Now if we refresh here, when it is started, when it is ended. At monitor level, one field is there. Okay, one options are there to check the resources, how many executed he works and etc. kind of things. Go to monitor, documents. Sorry, go to monitor, resource management, resource. This is the resource. What is the resource details are here? Okay, activated queue, the latest queue you can see here. This one coming to here under resource group level. Some other options are there. Queue wise resource we can check. Resource one is there. Latest is this queue. One thing. Resource group. Under resource we can check. Maintain log on to log off from resource. Change queue, change resource group and etc. are there. One thing, log on date, log on time it is showing. Go to processor. User. No, if we activate labor management, it is possible to get cumulative data and etc. One thing, actual queues, queue wise we can check. These are the queues. Yeah, here, this is the queue. Open warehouse orders are nothing. If you come to here, how many warehouse orders? It is not appearing. Okay, resource. Not updating actually. One thing. Resource. Okay, I will check later. Like, okay, we can, this one what, execute through RF environment. Say, for example, HU is there, system is created, product warehouse task. What will happen that we can see. Go to VL31N again. Second product, MAT4 is there, right? That is going to be create product warehouse task. Talent I can pack. Seven double nine six. Go to here, inbound delivery. HU is there, goods received. This is creating product warehouse task. Go to here, some, okay, VAS I did not remove, that's why that is created. Internal queue. Okay. Now come to here, create warehouse task. Product warehouse task only. This queue got determined. Create plus save, copy this. Create plus save. We can assign through monitor. Go to inbound, documents, inbound delivery, warehouse order. Say here, queue got determined I'm trying to assign resources. No suitable warehouse order found. No suitable warehouse order is found. Anyone can guess, sir? What is the reason? Everything is there. We can execute the RF environment only this queue, but still that is saying yes, no suitable orders found while assigning resource. Which resource type we are using? Resource 1. What is the packaging material HU type group? Pallet. In the resource type, the pallet is not there. Now go to here. That is the reason. Not this one. Go to our warehouse. Only cotton box there earlier. Now assign here. Now coming to here, now you can assign. It will accept. Okay. Again, change the queue. Just to refresh the work, okay? Now it is assigned. Now we can execute through RF. This one. Here in this case, HU is there, say here. Here it is, we need to scan both HUs and product. If it's create only HU warehouse task, just HU we can scan. Okay, say here this one. Go to here, confirm, like this. Now we will have a look. Here there is no distributive putaway. Distributive putaway means 1012 it will create with a confirmed new warehouse task. But here there is product warehouse, even though that is packed in the HU. So there is no distributive putaway. Now scan the product. And I am giving one assignment regarding this. All are aware of HU requirement. We have seen HU not requirement, HU requirement. Okay. If it's a first, you should have to execute those two tasks in the RF only. HU requirement, HURQ1 storage type we have created, right? Okay. See here, while trying to create through RF environment, at the time of picking from the GR zone to resource, there is no HU. But while confirming the HU, this one, right, it will expect a HU. under which HU you want to keep this product?
Destination.
Destination HU. Okay, we have seen that error in a desktop environment. The same you should have to see here. Okay, what you can do, if you do not have any HUs in that HURQ, you can bring one HU from RK01 or something to that HURQ. Within that HU, you can keep the product through RF. Ad hoc HU you can do. Okay, this you need to do that. That is one exercise. Another exercise is HU not requirement. Bring the HU warehouse task only here, like this. You can pick the HU from GR area. It will create a distributive putaway and everything. But while confirming that right resource to this one, the HU can be disappeared. See here. Both that tasks please do in the RF environment. Please make a documentation as well. Okay. In next session, okay, I will explain. I will show the deconsolidation through RF environment. Okay. Any doubts regarding today's session? I am going to share this one RF cookbook in WhatsApp groups. Okay, please download into your systems. You can see here. That is a WhatsApp book. Any doubts regarding today's session? From tomorrow
Sir,
onwards, as far yeah, please.
sir, exceptional handling can be done using this RF, like if there is a quantity difference during the put away
Yes,
and
yes, there. Yes, several are there. We are going to discuss the topic very soon.
okay, okay, sir.
We can change the destination HU. We can split the warehouse task. Okay, like kind of things we can see.
So
Very
why
simple.
do we use the distributive putaway, not the general putaway, so to say?
Distributive putaway means, say for example, one inbound delivery is there, 10 HUs are there. Got my point? Same quantity, 10, but HUs are 10. Quantity is 10, HUs are 10. In that case, that is going to distributive putaway. Okay.
Okay.
One concept is a semi-system guided. Okay, that is also I will give some overheads. Do the exercise. Okay. Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks.